Hello everyone. Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is National One Health Mission. This topic relates to social justice section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Recently, the first state and union territory engagement workshop under the National One Health Mission NOHM concluded. The workshop aimed to strengthen India's integrated One Health approach that focuses on human, animal, and environmental health. Drishti IAS in Noida is offering an IAS GS foundation, prelims plus mains, course in both English and Hindi mediums. The course is available in an offline batch format. Admissions are open for both the English and Hindi medium courses. The location of the center is C171/2, Block A, Sector 15, Noida, near Metro Station, Noida, Sector 15. For more details or inquiries, you can contact at 87-501-87501. Now let's discuss about National One Health Mission. It was approved by the Prime Minister's Science, Technology and Innovation Advisory Council, pm-stiac, in 2022. The mission aims to coordinate across ministries in achieving overall pandemic preparedness and integrated disease control against priority diseases of both human and animal sectors. The mission will help in institutionalizing the One Health approach. One Health is an approach that recognizes that the health of people is closely connected to the health of animals and our shared environment. The specific efforts under the National One Health Mission include implementing integrated disease surveillance, environmental surveillance system, develop robust outbreak, investigation mechanisms, critical pillars of preparedness in the form of targeted R&D to develop important tools such as vaccines, diagnostics and therapeutics, clinical care, streamline data and information across sectors, as well as close community participation, will also be addressed by the mission. Now is the time for practice question. Which of the following is not a key effort under the National One Health Mission? A. Implementing integrated disease surveillance. B. Developing a universal vaccine for all diseases. C. Developing an environmental surveillance system. D. Strengthening outbreak investigation mechanisms? Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.